Hi ladies and gentlemen, in this tutorial I want to show you how to get Automator4Act somewhat activated so you can work with it in creating tools with the tool. So I'm going to go up to Tools, I'm going to go to Design Layouts, and I'm going to go to Contact. When I come inside here, this is our layout screen where I can modify things here. So a lot of times I'll just drag it up and down just to make it a little bit bigger by clicking on these squares. If for some reason those squares disappear and you can't do that, exit out of here, don't save anything, and come right back in, and you'll see those squares again. So I want to add Automator to this layout, but I don't see anything over here that even suggests that. Now, if you have this issue, and most likely you will, you're going to simply right-click on this gray area anywhere, and where it says Customize, click on that. When I click on Customize, you'll see I have some options here. I have Automator and these quick actions. I'm going to do all three of these and click OK. Now that I have those, I can come up to Custom, and now I can pick any of these items right here. So we'll come back and talk about this in another tutorial, but that's how you somewhat activate this tool to get it working. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much. Have a great day.